How to add Capital One card to Apple Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you add your Capital One card to your Apple Wallet. So let's get started. First, as you have to open the application Apple Wallet on your iOS device. Usually it is pre-installed on your iOS device. If you not find it, you can simply install from the App Store. After you open Apple Wallet, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the top right, tap on plus icon. From here, choose for the option debit or credit card. And from here, tap on continue. From here, tap on enter card details manually at the bottom. From here, enter your card details like your number and card number. After that, you'll need to verify with the verification process. After that, you'll be able to add that Capital One credit card to your Apple Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.